Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one I'm covering the NHS Data Dictionary. In the one video I'm going to cover the English Data Dictionary, the Welsh Data Dictionary and the Scottish Data Dictionary. I don't know why, I have asked why we have three different ones, and I do remember being told the answer and I remember thinking it made sense at the time, but I can't remember what the answer was, and now I'm back to thinking it's ridiculous again. But anyway, there's three. There is obviously a Northern Ireland one, but no one's asked us to do that yet, so we will do it if it's asked for. So we've got snapshots going back to 2005 with the English one, and we've got data across these three, and these are the numbers of attributes in each one. The English one being far more complicated. I've queried just a few just for an example. So in the English Data Dictionary, here's the treatment function code, categories, codes, the descriptions, and just like with any other SCD, you've got the effective from, effective to, whether it's the latest or not. I'm just querying on his latest equals one there. Scotland, I've picked on A&E procedure, and you've got these various columns describing these codes. And then the Welsh one, I've picked care need type. Got some codes and descriptions. It's pretty obvious that the point of this is that rather than going to the website to see what these codes mean, you would instead use the database, so you can actually join this all up on your own data. So that's that. Thanks.